Hello everyone, I'm Lash and welcome to my channel Tech Lash. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make money on YouTube, like what is your requirement and how you can easily get paid on YouTube. So let's go. Guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to make money on YouTube. Like when you become a partner, how to make money on YouTube. So let's get started. First, you have to start a channel. When you start a YouTube channel, you have to just follow some YouTube guidelines. Like when you start a channel, you did not got monetized at the same time. Yeah, you have to complete the main criteria of YouTube. Like you have to reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time, like 4000 hour watch time in a previous 12 months, only in a year, 4000 watch time and 1000 subscribers. When you complete this criteria, you have to set up an AdSense account. You can easily go to a Google YouTube official site and you can easily make an AdSense account. That's not tough. You have to just give some details of yourself, then your AdSense account will set up. After that, explore your monetization feature. Like each channel have different eligibility criteria. Every channel have different eligibility criteria. First, you will get money from ad revenue. Like when the ads are running on your channel, you must be at least 18 years old. Yeah, if you are 18 years old, then you can easily get the ad revenue. YouTube premium revenue. Some people are asking what is YouTube premium revenue. YouTube premium revenue is like that when a YouTube premium customer watching your video, YouTube will give you some portion of their subscription. Yeah, that is a very nice thing. Yeah, YouTube make this thing and that thing is very amazing. Channel membership. Now YouTube introduced a channel membership. What is a channel membership? Like on the Twitch platform, people are making member on the Twitch, and when they're watching the video, and they can easily, you can, if you like any channel, you can easily subscribe the channel. Like I don't know, watch money, $1, $2, $6, $20. It's all about the channel's requirement. That is a YouTube. You can easily get the money. In order to get the merch, like merch, if you want to follow the merch thing that people are following, many people are famous for the merch. Like PewDiePie is making his merch. It's only requirement with 10,000 subscribers. Minimum requirement is 10,000 subscribers. Before 10,000 subscribers, you cannot make a merch. And last thing, and the mostly effective thing, super chat payment. Super chat, YouTube have super chat payment. So when someone want to highlight their name, he can give you some money through super chat. Super chat is like one of the best features of YouTube. Like if you're watching any gaming channel, people are making video. When someone is try to highlight their comment for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 minutes, it's all about the money. Like suppose if he want to highlight their comment for 1 minute, he donate $1. He type something, hey, you are very good, if you type it, and then he can change. If he want to stay out 5 minutes, he can donate more dollar. That's a YouTube chat, super chat. Okay, I hope you can understand what is a YouTube monetization policy and how you get famous on YouTube. Okay, thank you so much for joining, guys.